Okay, guys, we're at the bottom of the hill, and well, we're not at the bottom of the hill, but we're at the bottom of the other place. Look, where the tree trunk fell over. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, you might only see like the blackness of my face because, no, well, my face is quite dark at the moment because, yeah, there's nothing on the screen right now. Well, there is, like, I'm recording, but, okay guys, this is the river from episode 1, and looks quite cool, doesn't it?
Oh, 3 hours.
3 hours. Oh, Heidi's going to say hello. Say hello.
Hello, Edson.
No, say hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hello, D&D Games.
Hello, D&D Games.
Okay, guys, I've actually thought of a new name for you guys. I'm going to call you viewers, TNT Gamers, because that's just sad, but okay.
What's that noise?
Church bells.
What?
Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear the church bells or not, but yeah, they are going off. I mean, where I live, there's like a church
One.
right near, so.
I like my photo game.
And I live in the woods, and I love the woods, so it's awesome. I also love gaming in my name, TNT Gamer. But guys, on this channel there is going to be gaming / vlogging. I might make another channel for vlogging soon, but yeah. Heading into distance. Guys, look, this is the sky right now. You can't even see it.
You should always go and see who's in the church.
Yeah, it's like impossible. Look,
Can we see the top?
Yeah.
When?
guys, I can only get like
Back to the road.
forward views because.
No, we can see the top.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it and I'll see you at the road.
Can you see in the day?
Okay, guys, I'm on the road a bit. Like, you might not see me. Yeah, you can see a little thing. But yeah, I'm at the road. See you when I get to the house.
Place in the den.
Okay, guys, it's actually quite light now because I'm at a church. I'm just at church showing you guys, well, I'm not in the church, but I'm showing you guys what it's like at the church. There's a little like light thing here producing all of the light. I'm going into the, oh no, it's dark again. Oh guys, can you hear those bells? You might not even hear me over the bells, but yeah, coming up to the door. Oh, Jesus. Okay guys, we're here. Are we supposed to be in it?
Come see the bell ringers. Oh yeah. So
Hello.
if we come and see the bell ringers? Want to see them ringing the bells?
Yeah, I'll see them. Okay. Guys, we're just going to see the bell ringers.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Where's it?
To work. Okay. Is that the right way round to take the picture?
Yeah.
Okay then, ready? 1, that's it. No, show your mum. That's it, that'll do.
Then we'll have to take a picture of
Now
you
we'll have
do
to
it.
take you. Can you
Let-
come and
Let your
take a...
sister do it. That's right, you won't make anything dirty.
So is it still recording?
That's the hands on the saddle.
That's it,
together.
you've got to say. Well done,
Right,
ready?
left.
Go, Paul. Blimey.
You're going to take off in a minute, Ayrton.
You you do weightlifting as a sport by any chance?
It's about the
My
right
dad
age to
does.
start learning.
Yes.
Yeah, they said that.
That's it then. Well done.
Okay, well
Where's
done.
the egg? Right.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10.
Now, you come here and stand here. Right next to the
Okay, guys, I've just been on the bells as you've seen. So, yeah,
Watch what Jane
now
does.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
record Sarah doing it.
Jane's just got the...
Ready?
This is the hand stroke, that's the back stroke.
Normally you do both, but when you start to
When
learn, you
you
just
do.
do one
Ready?
or the other. Yeah.
Okay then, ready?
Oh, that sounds like a good one. Oh, your arms fly out.
Oh, that's...
Oh, right, okay.
Makes a stretch, it's good for the back.
Doctors say it's the best workout you can have. It's good for the heart, good for the back, opens the lungs, and you don't have to move.
And the person doing the conducting, it works their brain to as well.
It's really good for the back.
Okay, Jane, thank you.
You've got to get the timing right, haven't you?
That was good.
That's the
That was good.
That's where
Sounds really good.
comes in.
Yeah, just have to wait for the bell
over
to
here a
take
little bit.
you up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, then
Go up, we can
then
run.
go straight down.
Well, actually, you like
it the right way
recording.
round?
I'll have my hands on the rope.
Okay. All right.
As a security for you. Okay then.
Sarah is.
Stand just a little bit back and get the picture.
No. No.
Let your hands go up with the rope.
Let the rope take your hands up. Let me have it a moment and I'll stand it and you can start again. Let me have the rope.
This is a technical one.
Oh, very.
Just don't get too far forward, Roger.
Mm.
So go back a bit so you're not putting on the lady's nose.
See, the bells are hung, when we go away they're hanging down.
Yeah.
And they then bring them up on a wheel and they go up like that. Now, they just go over the balance against a stone. And when I pull it there, now that's on the balance and that could go either way now.
Let the
No,
rope,
let
let
the
the bell
rope take
take
you,
your hands
like
up.
Jane did.
Okay.
You go back.
That's how it
Fast,
is.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can you
Let me get it up again. Let me get it. Let go, please. Let me get it
That would
up.
start to come down again.
Everybody goes through this process when they're learning. We've all been there.
Yeah.
Been there.
We've all been there.
Right, one more.
One more.
Just
Ah,
let the
you're
bell
being
take
filmed.
you.
Roger, you want to come this? You're backwards. Go back a bit. We'll throw you.
I'll record the next video.
You can win. You can win that one up, are you?
This is going to be awesome.
I don't know, I'll try.
I know. So, guys, they're about to ring bells. It's really cool. It's a church.
To ring the bell up again.
Oh, they're ringing the bells off at the moment.
Well, that one needs all that, but that
That's
one's
it.
not too
I'll
bad.
come out here with you and explain what they're doing.
Yeah. I'm going to put it.
No, let him film.
I don't really need to film
He's
that.
only just getting that bell back up to where it's all the bell ringing starts with the bells
Yeah.
pointing up.
Yeah,
I can
okay.
hear it. Enjoy the bells.
Yeah. What would you like to ring? Some plain hunt? That's fair. Straight rounds, all right.
Call changes then we'll do.
Call changes, all right.
Okay, guys, enjoy the music.
Can you hear each bell? Just each bell, just individually. And that's to make your bell strike immediately after the one, but not with it. Five to three. That's five. Over there. He's going to now follow this one instead of the four. before they were following me for the
He's awesome.
5 to 2. He's now coming in for Crystal and Jane will follow him now. 5 to treble. Five lead. He is now the lead bell. He's leading off the tenor. You have to have a lead bell all the time. Before that, the treble was leading. And I have to call off the lead bell when they've got hold of the saddle. 4 to 2.
So we've heard it now.
4 to treble.